Available per week. Now, what you say about Palmpay? This Palmpay you can be withdrawn. The money can be withdrawn into your bank account, then use it for anything you want to use it. You can also save with the Palmpay up to 50% on all your airtime and bill purchases when you pay with your Palmpay, valid for first 10 transactions per month. Every month you are making 50%. So you see, the Palm wallet is a very big wallet that you can make a lot of money with it. You can make a lot of money with this wallet. So if you look at, we are trying to look at an overview of the wallet. If you click on bank and card, let's see what will come up. You say add bank card. You can add your bank card. If you've not added your bank card, you can add your bank card here. Then if you get your bank account, you can add your bank account here. If you've not added your bank account, you see they ask you your bank account number, your BVN code, then they will send OTP, that is one-time password for you to add your bank account. That is just that. You click on add bank card. If you click here, they will add your card number, expiration date, and CVV to just activate your card. Once you link your card, they will ask you to send a one-time password to you. You put it, that is that your card has already been activated and added to the Palmpay wallet. So you begin to use the wallet to do a lot of businesses. So you come down, just look at an overview of the wallet. You can see so many things here: TV, purchase, utility, buy data, top up airtime, and lots more. You can, if you want to put money in the account, simply click on phone. Now when you click on phone, you put the amount you want to. Let's say I want to add 5,000. What's it for? You can say wallet funding, because we are trying to fund our wallet funding. Then you click next. You see, and now look at payment method. Select payment method. Amount 5,000 naira. Fee 0. Value added tax 0 naira. Total 0 naira. That's to tell you that Palmpay wallet does not charge on any transaction you are doing with them. You are making a lot of money with this wallet. So select payment method. Use new bank account, or you add a new bank card. So that is that for to fund your wallet. So if you want to withdraw, you click on withdraw, you put the amount you want to withdraw, and you click next. That is just that. It's as simple as any other thing. So the Palmpay wallet can give you a lot of money. So let's check something here. I'm trying to open everything so that we know what we are doing. Now, invite how it works. If you want to make big money with this wallet, share the referral link or GRO code with your individual invitation code and encourage your friend to register for Palmpay. Once your friend register and log into Palmpay, your friend will receive 50 pound point as a reward. You see the big money is coming in there. You are making a lot of money, and you will receive 2% of your friend airtime top of cash value pay in Palmpay every time your friend recharge. Let's say you have like 50 friends, and every time they recharge, you are making 2%. See, lots of money that you're making from this system. So that is just that for the Palmpay. Palmpay is excited. Thank you. I love you all.